Today we're making butter chicken dumplings and we're doing it in 3 ways. The first one is an air fried one. The second one is a fried one. And the third one is boiled. We're going to make these and I'm gonna let you know which one tastes the best. So first you wanna grab your pan and you wanna put it on medium heat, and then we're gonna put in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're gonna let that oil heat up, and then we're gonna put in about 1 cup of diced onions. This onion step is a must. Do not skip out on this onion step. You want to cook the onions until it's translucent. Once the onions are done cooking, then we're going to put in 1 pound of ground chicken. Then we're gonna put in a half a tablespoon of ginger paste, a tablespoon of garlic paste, and the seasoning mix that you see on the screen. And we're gonna stir that in and let it cook. We're gonna let this cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. Once it's done cooking, we're gonna take it off the pan. Now in this same pan is where we're gonna make our butter chicken sauce. For this, we're gonna put in 4 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna let that melt down. As soon as that melts down, now we're gonna start adding in our ingredients. 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 2 tablespoon garlic paste, and the seasoning mix that you see on the screen, and 5 tablespoons of tomato paste. You wanna let all this cook on medium heat, and you're gonna cook it for about 5 minutes until that tomato paste starts to darken. And that's where we're gonna add in 1 cup heavy cream and 1 cup of milk. And we're gonna bring this to simmer, and we're gonna cook this for about 5 minutes, and we're gonna keep stirring. Now for the dumplings, you wanna grab your dumplings paper. You can find these at your Asian grocery market. We're gonna put in about 1 tablespoon of that ground chicken. Now you don't have to do this, but I'm gonna spice it up with some Thai chili peppers. And then we're gonna take some water, put it on the outside, and we're gonna seal it nice and tight by pinching it. So for the air fried one, we're gonna air fry these at 375 degrees for about 7 minutes. Now what you want to do is get a cooking spray. You're gonna spray on both sides of the dumpling. And it should come out looking like this. Now the other set that we're gonna boil, you just wanna get boiling water, put in your dumplings, and let it cook for about 5 minutes. And the boiling ones should look like this. And for the deep fried one, all you need to do is just deep fry it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until it's nice and golden brown. Now we're just gonna put our butter chicken sauce over it, and we're gonna garnish with cilantro. Okay, let's first start with the boiled one. Here we go. That's really good. It has a pasta-like texture. It's soft, it has a little bounce to it. I like that. Let's try the air fried one next. So this is the air fried one, right over here. That's not bad. It's crunchy and it's not oily, which is a good thing. It's not bad. Now, between the boiled one and the air fried one, I prefer the boiled one. Now here is our third one, which is the deep fried one. Here we go. That was good. I'm gonna take another bite. Wow, the deep fried one is the clear winner. But the reason why I like it is because it's crunchy on the outside and it has this chewiness as well. And for some reason, chicken in this one tastes better than the other 2 ones. If you're at home and you don't care about the extra calories, go for the fried ones. Until next time, I'll see you later.